Hi kids! Today we will learn comparing and ordering numbers up to millions. Let's first learn how to compare two numbers. There are always two cases in comparing numbers. When the number of digits in two numbers are different, rule of thumb is that the number with more number of digits is bigger than the number with lesser number of digits. 23 is less than 678. As 23 is a two-digit number and 678 is a three-digit number. Here is another example. Here we have two numbers. Digits in both the numbers are different. This is four-digit number and this is six-digit number. So we need not compare the numbers. Simply, the number with more number of digits is bigger. Second case is when the number of digits in two numbers is same. Let's learn how we compare numbers when the number of digits in two numbers is same. First, we compare the numerals at the biggest place in the numbers. So we will compare the thousands place here. 4 is bigger than 2. So the number with bigger numeral at the biggest place is bigger. So 4,000 is bigger than 2,000. Let's take another example. Here too, the numbers have equal number of digits. Both have 6 digits. First, we compare the digits at the biggest place. Both are same, so compare the next digits. Again, both are same, so move the next digit. 9 is bigger than 6. In whichever number we get bigger number first, while comparing each digit, starting from the biggest place, that number is bigger. So, 789,000 is more than 786,000. Let's take another example. We have to compare these numbers, and both have same number of digits. Let's start comparing digits from left. And in whichever number we get the bigger digit first, that number will be bigger than the other one. Comparing the leftmost digits, both are same, so compare the next digits again. Both are same. Compare the next digit. Here, 8 is more than 6, so this number is bigger number. So kids, let's revise. When the number of digits in two numbers is same, compare the digits to two numbers starting from the left. And in whichever number you get the bigger number first, that number is the bigger number. So now, kids, now you know how to compare two numbers, no matter how bigger they are. Now let's arrange these numbers in increasing order. That is, from smallest to biggest number. Which one is the smallest number here? 78,967 and 90,909 have the least number of digits, so they are the smallest numbers. Now compare them for the smaller number between these. Comparing the first digits we get 78,967 is a smaller number. So 78,967 is smallest. So place it first and cross it from the list. Now 90,909 is smallest as it has the least number of digits among the numbers left. So place it at second place and cross it too from the list. Now 100,000 has the least number of digits among the numbers left. So, place it next and cross it from the list. Now, numbers left are same digit numbers, so compare them. Comparing their first digits from left, that is 9 and 7. We get 9,999,999. So place it at the last place. And place 7,890,900 at the second place. And our increasing order is done. We have arranged the numbers from smallest to biggest. Now, let's learn about smallest and greatest numbers of particular digits. Kids, here is an interesting pattern of smallest and biggest numbers of particular digits. 1 is the smallest one-digit number. 9 is the largest one-digit number. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. 99 is the largest two-digit number. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. 999 is the largest three-digit number. 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. And 9,999 is the largest four-digit number, and so on. Let's see an interesting thing. If you add 1 to biggest one-digit number, you get the smallest two-digit number. That is, adding 1 to 9, you get 10. If you add 1 to biggest two-digit number, you get smallest three-digit number. That is, adding 1 to 99, you are getting 100. And if you add 1 to biggest three-digit number, you get smallest four-digit number. That is, adding 1 to 999, you will get 1,000. Now, we will learn how to make biggest and smallest numbers from the given numbers. Here are four numbers. We have to form the largest four-digit number using these numbers only. Also, we do not have to repeat any number. Okay, kids, let me help you do that. We have to make a four-digit number. We need to have the biggest number at biggest place value to make the biggest number. So, place the biggest number, that is 8, at thousands place. Now, place the next biggest number at next biggest place. So place 7 at the hundreds place. Now, place the next biggest number at next biggest place. So place 5 at the thousands place. Now place the last number at the ones. So place 3 at the ones place. So we have made the biggest number using the numbers given to us. So 8,753 is the biggest number that you can make using the given digits without repeating any digit. So kids, you just need to always arrange numbers in decreasing order if you want to make the biggest number out of them. And you just need to always arrange the numbers in increasing order if you want to make the smallest number. Let's see. If you simply arrange these numbers in increasing order, that is 3,578, you have formed the smallest number possible out of given digits. So kids, today we have learned a lot about comparing numbers, biggest and smallest numbers of particular digits, and also how we can form the biggest and smallest numbers out of the given digits. So kids, now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!